Welcome to Five Fires YouTube. Today we're going to be firing up over here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Now to follow me on Instagram or X at the Cat LeBet. Please subscribe, hit the like button, fire it up. I'm the main host, Monto. Let's do this. Beautiful Thursday morning out here at Universal. It is 10 a.m. Thankfully the park opened at 9 so we could go get breakfast at Three Broomsticks. That's the first thing we're gonna do today. One of the big things that went down yesterday is Blumhouse. Terror Tram looking like a Blumtram again. Lots to say on that. John Murdy just posted on X. Somebody takes a random picture of something. Random assumption is made. Everyone believes it's the truth. Everybody freaks out, rinse and repeat. The cycle of speculation season, which honestly it's fun. Sometimes it's fun to be wrong. It's okay. It's okay. But the vibe I'm getting, you know, everybody was freaking about Blumtram. I don't think it's going to be Blumtram. I think it's going to be something else. One thing about HHN Hollywood, they reuse everything. Everything gets reused. So maybe the Blum stuff is just getting reused, but we'll see. I want to see it for myself today. I still can't believe all the walls are down out here for Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. For today though, we're able to like look that way. Look at this. You can see the queue. It's my first time seeing it. It's like an orange car, a yellow car. Huh. Oh damn, they got two vehicles out today. Holy smokes. Am I able to see anything else? One of the cars that's in the queue right there. It's like a truck, I think. Very cool. First time seeing that. But we'll keep an eye. We'll keep an eye if people test today, hopefully. No better place to get breakfast at Universal than Three Broomsticks over here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. I always like eating at Three Broomsticks. So calm in the morning, and most importantly, the food is really good. Bacon, sausage, potato, egg, croissant, and it comes with a drink. And this is the kids meal for I think 13-14 bucks. This is my go-to. I highly recommend. Trust me. Three Broomsticks, Harry Potter. We're having breakfast. We're getting visited by a friend. Hi, squirrel. It's a Harry Potter squirrel. It's a squirrel.
Coming soon. On your right hand side, we're passing by a series of movie posters. This is our Universal timeline. It's a representation of his film Apollo 13. Of course, many directors have graced our sound stages over the years, including one of our favorites. It's called The Paper. And The Paper is based in the same universe as The Office. So if you enjoy shows like The Office and Parks and Recreation, you should check out The Paper if you haven't already. And I'm now Chelsea. I actually filmed the sound stages coming up on your left, right across this body of water. We call it the Hollywood Ocean. Now, back in 1974, we had the Party of the Red Sea here for the studio tour. It was based on the classic film The Ten Commandments, starring Charlton Heston. It's a now retired effect in the studio tour, but shout out to our new show, Happy's Place, because Reba McEntire happens to be here to tell us a little bit about how Happy's Place is filmed. We'll do a little soundstage visit so everyone on board can see what it looks like when they're getting ready to film inside of a soundstage. But as always, for your safety, remember to remain seated, arms and legs in the vehicle at all times. Secure your personal.
Whoa! Earthquake!
Slight tremor, no need to worry, it's totally normal. It happens sometimes, but okay. Shut up, remain calm, remain seated, I guess. Bruce.
Are you okay?
Modeled the name of the shark.
High five, high five.
Jaws, directed by Steven Spielberg. Yeah, can you go? Whoa! Oh, I mean, oh! Emerald and Slade, planned presentation for a new movie we're producing. It's called Too Flood, Too Furious. I'm just kidding. This Flash Flood, it's a paid actor. You might know of our picture card collection. Picture cars, they can range from Universal Studios glamour trams to gyrospheres from Jurassic World.
When we started driving past this area, it literally looked like the same setup that they had last year, where we had a bunch of black phone. Who knows if they reuse different properties, but this is just looking like a Blumtram. As much as I was going in with a positive, like it's gonna be something else, it's like the same layout we had for Black Phone last year. Blumtram.
Or here to check in, but you might not check out, so I don't recommend staying here. Top of the house on top of the hill, that's your bed. Oh dear. Norman Bates is on top of the stairs there, and I'm sure everything will be fine. Honestly, I wasn't expecting him to be here. Well, let's talk about the house. The house is the original Psycho house from a Psycho film directed by Alfred Hitchcock. And the thing about the Psycho house, legend has it that everything's fine. Hi Norman. So sorry to be a trespasser bothering you. We just want to see how you were doing. And it seems like a very bad time for you, so we'll check back later. Or never. Never sounds good to me. Alright, take care, Norman. Oh no, he's eating with the Coast Guard for the TV show Community, starring Joel McHale and Donald Glover. Most recently, Ariana Grande filmed her short film here for Brighter Days Ahead. And they also have used this area for search and rescue dog training.
With our IMAX camera, with our incredible cast led by Matt Damon, to really try and take audiences on this incredible thrill ride.
Still save them.
No one can stand between me and home.
Don't miss out on the theme food and merchandise, plus live DJs. See the movies and then celebrate them here at Universal every day.
What an interesting studio tour today. The first thing, it's just killer clowns. Like, I doubt that it's not killer clowns with the trees now. I don't think there's any doubting that one over there at T-Pad. When we keep going and we hit Terror Tram, you know, with what John Murdy was saying earlier about relax, you know what I mean? I was, with that tweet earlier, I was like, it's probably not Blumhouse. They're just reusing things. But now that I've seen it, like I'm physically looking at it, I think it's Blumtram. That's going to be re-enter the Blumhouse for the third time. The only thing we could hope for is the very end, where they had like Megan and Insidious, I think, last year. Hopefully it's just all Obsession. That whole ending of Terror Tram before you get to the chainsaws at the end, just Obsession. Whole room of Obsession. Why not? Because then it could lead into them selling Obsession merch, which I would love. I do want to see Obsession one more time before it gets out of theaters. It would be my third time. I really, really love that movie. But yeah, as much as we were all talking Terrifier, I don't think so. And I doubted the whole Terrifier speculation from the beginning, because how do you make a whole Terror Tram off one character? You know what I mean? I don't know. I just didn't see the vision on that. They did paint the facade black, not the one that we think is Hellraiser, but the one behind. Curious George 2. That's what I'm going to call it. Curious George 2. The one in the back where Poltergeist was. It's all black now. So Curious George is just going to be 2 mazes full of black walls. Your biggest nightmare. Max already just kept yelling, Butterbeer! Butterbeer! So we came and got the slushy version. Wow. Nothing beats this on a hot day out here at Universal. All right, here you go. Here you go. Happy camper right here. All right. Let's get some updates from the escalators for HHN. One thing I do want to note, the panel that broke has now been removed. So let's hope it's just an easy replace. You know what I mean? Easy replace. And they are testing, obviously. Someone just said that team members rode, so that's what I'm talking about.
The escalator stops.
They are just testing non-stop. We got the dummies right now. Let's go. Wow, they are going non-stop right now. Each one of these ride vehicles looks to have water dummies, so I think we're getting at that point where things are getting serious. Could it be next week? Could it be next week? Soft opening! Soft opening! Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. We'll go on the Outlook in a little bit, so we get a really good look at all this. Hopefully we see team members testing today. Here's some people yelling, you know what I mean? Ah! Feel the intensity of all this. Oh man, I can't believe this is like our regular views now here in Hollywood. All right, time to get some lower lot updates. Pretty much Kidder Clowns over there. Time to get these lower lot updates. What is this? What in carnation is going on right here? Is that from Legends Collide? This looks like a stand for a scare actor. What in the mummy is going on here? What the heck? Anything over here? Wow. And then for the facade itself, you know, I'm completely stumped on what this is. Not much change has happened to the outside of that. They did paint inside right there black. So let's hope there's a scare actor outside of this one. But yeah, interesting. I was just talking to Junior. I was like, imagine this somehow ends up being Universal Monsters right here. Hey, it's the year repeats. Legends Collide, just a different version right here. Legends Collide. That would be funny. It would be funny. I love Legends Collide though, by the way, but it would be funny. I am so happy I finally got to see people riding the ride. For whatever reason, for me, it looked kind of slow. You know, finally visualizing people on the ride. Like, we actually got to see it. It looks slow, I don't know. The intensity factor of all these like slow-mo moments and you're spinning. Really curious how it's all gonna play out, but they are non-stop testing. Look at this. Non-stop testing out here. I wanna say we're getting freaking really, really close. Next week comes July. They maybe be shooting for a July 4th-ish soft opening. I'm starting to think that, man. I really am. Wow, more people. One thing to note, the Charger, there's 2 of them that now have the engine, like on the front side. It's been missing for a while, so it's cool to see it finally added. Look at this, look at this. That's so crazy. We got one more update to do, and it's over there at CityWalk, and it involves a Trojan horse. It is now done. I want to go check out the finished project. Oh my gosh. I can't even get it in frame. Wow, this is crazy. It's gigantic. I think they're done too. Whoa. This is crazy. Look at this. Wow. Unreal. I can't believe how many updates we got today. So much is changing out here at Hollywood. It's just exciting times, exciting times. If you haven't already, please subscribe, smash the like button. We are firing it